Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today, you'll learn useful Portuguese for finding roommates and setting house rules while improving your habits and connections as a nomad in Portugal and Brazil. Let's get started. Imagine it's after midnight. You reply to a roommate listing in a hurry, and the next morning you realize you never asked about quiet hours, cleaning, or deposit details. Now your sleep and energy are wrecked. That awkward moment costs you focus, confidence, and the ability to look and feel your best.
We're fixing that today. Promise. 7 clear lines, slow pronunciation, exact English meaning, habit and confidence tips, and a short role play so you can try them immediately.
Você procura quarto ou prefere dividir? Você procura quarto ou prefere dividir?
Why this helps? It saves time and avoids mismatched expectations. If you want routines, a sleep window, or early workouts, make sure the housing format matches. Small habit, big connection. Be upfront and confident.
Phrase 2. ¿Cómo dividimos contas y limpieza? Slow. ¿Cómo dividimos contas y limpieza? English. How do we split bills and cleaning? Use this early, ideally before moving in, and tie it to a weekly habit. A cleaning roster or shared payment day reduces friction.
Tip. Suggest a simple system when you ask. For example, we can rotate kitchen cleaning every Sunday. That's a habit anchor. Saying the phrase calmly shows leadership and protects your energy for work and social time.
Eu trabalho remotamente das X às Y. I work remotely from X to Y. Use exact times. This protects your work hours and your sleep. Saying it up front prevents late-night interruptions and helps preserve your appearance and focus when you need to look sharp on calls.
Add a habit tip. Combine your work block with a visible desk area and a noise rule in the lease conversation. When teammates or roommates respect that window, you get better sleep and less stress. Real anti-aging benefits over time.
Phrase 4. Tem visitas à noite ou preferimos silêncio? Slow. Tem visitas à noite ou preferimos silêncio? Literal translation. Are there night visitors or do we prefer silence? This is a polite way to set quiet hours and protect sleep hygiene, which matters for energy, skin, and mood.
You can pair that line with a specific window. Say, silencio das 23 horas a 7 horas. That sets measurable boundaries. Keep the tone friendly. You want cooperation, not conflict.
Posso ver o contrato e o deposit? Translation. Can I see the contract and the deposit? This protects your finances and helps avoid scams. Always ask early and request written terms.
Quick legal note. Tenancy rules vary between Portugal and Brazil. If a situation feels risky, check local rental platforms or consular resources. We're giving language to ask the right questions, not legal advice.
Prefer to divide groceries or cada one pay for their own? Prefer, dividir, compras, or cada one pay their own? Do you prefer to split groceries or does everyone pay for their own? Use this for meal planning and to avoid food friction. Make a simple habit. Shared staples in one basket and personal items separate.
If you cook, propose one shared meal day per week. It's a great way to build rapport and improve your local language while keeping food costs down. Small rituals like that turn a flat into a home.
Phrase 7. The soft invite. Quer marcar café antes de decidir? Say it slowly. Quer marcar café antes de decidir? Translation. Would you like to schedule a coffee before deciding? Meeting in public for a coffee is safe and helps you vet compatibility.
This one works magic. A quick coffee reveals energy, punctuality, and basic manners. Plus, you practice Portuguese in a low-stakes way. If the chat goes well, you already have a social anchor, a future cafe catch-up, or shared gym visit.
Role play now. I'll be the listing host. Tiago, you're the nomad. Use the lines naturally. Ready? Oi, tudo bem? Vi o anúncio do quarto. Você procura quarto ou prefere dividir?
Oi, tudo bem? Eu prefiro dividir. Também trabalho remoto. Eu trabalho das 9 às 17. Como dividimos contas e limpeza? Posso ver o contrato e o depósito?
Perfeito. Silêncio das 23 às 7 Preferimos dividir compras. Cada um paga o seu prato, mas dividimos itens básicos. Quer marcar café antes de decidir?
Habit mapping. Those lines map to 3 routines: cleaning roster, sleep window, and shared meal day. If you set those in chat, and then add them to a shared note or calendar, you've reduced friction for weeks.
Immediate practice task. 10 minutes. Pick one phrase and record yourself saying it slowly. Then paste it into a listing reply or a local expat group. Checklist to evaluate replies. Did they confirm times, money, and meeting place? If yes, great. If no, follow up with "Posso ver o contrato e o deposito?"
Safety note. Always meet in a public place for the first meetup and get agreements in writing. If something feels off, trust your instincts and check local resources. These phrases make conversations clearer, but use them alongside good judgment.
Course CTA. Get the downloadable 7-line roommate script plus audio drills and a printable habit checklist at PortugueseForNomads.com/roommates. The drills will help your pronunciation and confidence before you message anyone.
Tomorrow, we'll cover grocery shopping phrases and a quick negotiation script for markets. Practice today. Show up confident tomorrow. Daily practice builds real confidence.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, connect deeper.